In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on a LinkedIn photo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to open the LinkedIn website. You can do this on your computer or mobile device. Once you're on the site, sign in using your Google account or your personal account details. It's important to ensure you have access to your profile so you can make changes. After you've logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. There, you will see your profile photo. Click on it. This action will open a menu with various options available to you. From the menu, select the View Profile option. This will navigate you to your main professional profile page, where all your information is displayed, including your profile picture and background. Next, click directly on your profile picture. This action will open a larger view of your photo, along with some individual photo settings. Here, you have more options to personalize your image. To access the editing tools, look for the Edit button, which is represented by a small pencil icon. Clicking this will bring up the built-in photo editing tool provided by LinkedIn. In the editing interface, take a moment to locate the Zoom slider bar. It's positioned at the bottom of this window. This slider allows you to control how much of your profile photo is visible. To zoom out and reveal more of your original image, drag the Zoom slider bar downwards. You'll notice how more of your photo starts to show. This is a great way to ensure your photo looks balanced and professional, so take your time adjusting it. Once you're happy with how your profile picture looks, it's essential to adjust the framing. Make sure the focus is right and that you're presenting yourself in a way that aligns with your professional brand. When you're completely satisfied with the way your profile picture has been adjusted, go ahead and click the Save Photo button. This action will apply all the changes you've made and update your profile picture instantly. And that's it. You've successfully zoomed out on your LinkedIn photo while enhancing your profile's appearance. This small adjustment can make a significant difference in how you present yourself to potential connections and employers. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using LinkedIn effectively.